This is how an organized assembly line finished this concrete pour. First, one person is in charge of pouring the concrete. Another now distributes the concrete with the shovel. Now someone smooths it with a leveler or a piece of wood. Next, a trowel is used by another person. Someone else comes in and uses a Fresno tool to smoothen the concrete. Then an edger tool is run along the edge of the slab. If necessary, someone will sprinkle a little bit more concrete in places that it's needed. And now someone trowels it once again. Finally, someone wets a broom, then brooms over the concrete for the final touch.